The integration of mechanical and electrical systems is traditionally challenging. You have two very siloed teams, so when it comes time to integrate those two systems, you have a lot of problems. The Lifefuels bottle is a very dense and complex product.
We need RFID, we need USB charging, we need it to connect to Bluetooth, dispense, drive motors. A lot of back and forth with the mechanical engineering team because everything that I'm doing on the boards has a very direct impact on the mechanical system. How can we fit all of those different components in?
A lot of people, when they look at the product, don't realize how complex it is underneath. Fusion 360 has allowed our mechanical engineers and electrical engineers to work together in a collaborative way to fit everything into the small space of our bottle.
Having a tool that allows everybody to work in the same design space is hugely valuable, and you get a very diverse set of ideas and inputs into the engineering process.
Having the cloud collaboration, having the kind of immediate changes from the rest of your team, having very easy to find workflow going into the mechanical side make everything a lot easier, especially with this product where we have very, very tight tolerances and not a lot of space.
We're able to go from zero to a functionally complete prototype in a very short period of time.
I'm excited that the tools that engineers have access to today will help them solve problems that they have never really been able to solve before.